What's up, Amazon champions? Here in this video, I'm going to show you how I found an awesome product in 2 minutes. So what we're going to do is create a random word list of random words, whatever it may be. I just kind of looked on my desk. I found some keychains. I found a world map. You guys get the point. Create this random list. And what you're going to do with this list is copy and paste each word individually into Amazon. So what I did is I went through, I did keychain, I did seat, and I went through this list to find that perfect product. For this video, I'm going to show you the product that I found searching the word seat. As you can see right here, it gives us a bunch of suggested keywords that Amazon is basically recommending us to look at because we typed in seat. And Amazon is thinking, okay, if they're interested in seat, they might want a seatbelt extender, or they might want a seat cover for dogs. It's just going to give us popular keywords that we might be interested in buying. So we're going to capitalize on this recommendation from Amazon to help us find a low competition product that we can sell on Amazon FBA. So go through, see what catches your attention, and what I found was seatbelt pillow. And I clicked on it, and then I used the Jungle Scout Chrome extension tool. If you don't have it, I highly recommend you get this. It makes your product researching a lot easier, and it dissects all the information for you. And basically, I was looking at it, and I saw these revenues of super high, and sure enough, it gave me an opportunity score of a 7, and I was super excited about that because it literally was the second word on my list, and I found an opportunity score of a 7 that is high demand with low competition. This just shows how easy of a technique this is, and it's basically free other than the Chrome extension, but you can go in, create that random word list, and find some profitable products that you guys can sell on Amazon FBA. So feel free to subscribe, leave a comment below, and leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and we will see you in the next video of me helping you create a successful Amazon business. Thanks for watching, guys.